Hey, it's Darren Amato from Bandanas Online here in New Jersey. We're in the shop today. We're going to take some video of another bandana job that we're working on. I'm using a new camera setup, so I hope this is a little bit better for everybody. So bear with me, but let's go take a look at what we're doing on the bandana press. This is our oval press. We use this for printing bandanas and blankets. Sometimes we'll throw some beach towels on here as well, but here at Bandanas Online, most of what we do is bandana printing. I've not highlighted this piece of the machine before. This is called the flash unit, and what this is used for is when we're doing multiple color bandanas and we have to partially dry ink in between runs. Take a look at that. That's the extension cord. This thing draws a lot of power. So we're going to take a walk around this unit. We're not using it today because we only have a one color bandana print, so we don't have to worry about partially gelling up any ink. As you can see, this thing's pretty darn big. It fills up a significant portion of our building. Down here is the print head. This is the ink well. It's holding the ink. In this case, it's a turquoise color. You can see here there's bandanas ready to come down into the ink well. This blank bandana is about ready to cycle under. The squeegee is going to flood the ink, and it's going to cut it on the bandana. We're going to come over here to the load unload station. Here's where an operator will put the bandana on there. Sorry, that's Jenny. She's not just an operator, that's Jenny. And the bandana comes off. It's wet here at this point. You can see the soak through on the back. It gets put onto the belt, goes through our dryer. You've all seen this kind of vantage point before. Comes off the end, and it is ready to be folded and sent off to the customer. So if you need custom bandanas made, whether it's a small order of just 36 bandanas, which is our minimum, or you want to go into the thousands, we're happy to help you here at Bandanas Online. Just give us a call or visit our website.